to society later.
Brisk lemonade is like the sweetest, darnest lemonade my little sweet body has ever tasted. So I put half water so it won't be that sweet. Plus, not too much sugar.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, look at that. First week back from vacations and I'm seeing gains again. Alright, so all day I've been running errands. I haven't had time to even vlog. And, you know, just to end the day, I'm gonna go to a car meet with a couple of friends and we're gonna hang out. Obviously Rick's gonna go, but I'll meet him there. Or I don't even know if he's gonna be here. I think I'm waiting for him. But anyways, we're gonna go to our local car meet, and after that, I don't know what's next.
Later that same evening.
My name's Juan Grimaldo. I own Dirty Mob here in El Paso. I host all these meets, host the cars and ramen meets, cars and sushi, the arena meets, and we're always out here Wednesdays. Not every Wednesday, but every other Wednesday. Check it out. Yeah, check these out. We got them on Big Cartel, Dirty Mob, .bigcartel.com, 15 bucks. Got them in black too. Check them out.
Yeah. Thanks, brother.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, thanks, dude. Appreciate it.